Hello guys, good afternoon. I will show you to how connect the PC into the server. First one, I will connect the PC into the switch, fast internet, and this one, I will connect all of this. So many wires. In this one, I will connect this into DSL modem into switch port, and I will connect this DSL modem into cloud. This one modem. Okay. I will confirm the IP address in this each, and they are connected. This happy command prompt, by the way. No, I know in the server, by the way. Desktop command prompt. I will ping PC number 1 in the 10.1.1.1. Enter this. It will connect. Now I will check in the server if the PC is connected. I will X this. I will ping it server. Yes. Command prompt ping 10.1.1.11. This it will connect it. It means the server is connected. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.